going on, guys? I've lost my glasses. I have found a way to lose my glasses. So these. You know which ones, guys. You know which ones I'm talking about, guys. I've lost them. Can't find them anywhere. So. I lost my glasses, but I was able to borrow these. Let me know what you guys think. Or if you guys have any suggestions on new glasses, let me know. I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. Anyways, it's been a while. I've been gone for a little bit, but
it feels so good to be back.
Oh yeah, it feels good to be back. You know what I'm saying? There was a little challenge out there put out by one of my barber brothers, 360 Jeezy, the Clipper over Comb challenge. And yeah, I was gonna do that challenge, but I wanted to be challenged. You know what I mean? So I figured I'd do this challenge. My barber brother Bossio did this challenge, the Clipper only challenge. I decided to take it up. So yeah, I mean, some people said that his challenge was the Clipper over brush, the Clipper and brush. I think that was a little bit of a reach. You know who you are? You know who said that? A little bit of reach? Come on now. Anyways, I decided to do this, have fun with it. Make sure you stick to the end of the video so you see who I'm gonna challenge on this, because Bossio did a YouTube challenge, took it up, and I'm gonna call out one person. You know who you are. Also, I wanted to take a moment to thank everybody that stopped by our booth at the CT Barber Expo. It was pretty incredible to see the amount of support that we got. To be honest, guys, we weren't even planning on doing shows. In January, we said we're just not gonna do shows. We got too much going on, too many projects. We're not gonna do shows, and we literally decided to do shows to give back to the community that has supported us. So I want to give you guys a huge shout out and a huge thank you for all the support and all the love. It was real. Like, CT was just, it was dope getting to put some faces to names and to get to meet everybody. And like I said, the amount of support was incredible. And for the viewers out there that might take this the wrong way or say, man, you're being disrespectful to Jeezy, you're being disrespectful to Matt Gifted Hands, understand something. We're a squad. We're a team. It's all love. It's just for entertainment. And if you think that I'm being disrespectful, it doesn't matter what you think. So with that being said, make sure you stay to the end of the video so you see who I challenge. I appreciate all the love and support. If you haven't been to my channel before, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn on notifications. Smash that like button and get active in the comments. I want to communicate with you guys. Here it goes. All right, guys, so here we go. I'll show you a little before action here. See what my guy started out with. And I'm gonna start balling them out using my Andis Masters or my weapon of choice. The rules are no combs, no assistance to blend, no guards, nothing, just literally the clipper, that's it. So I'm starting my first guideline here. I'm starting to ball them out. You can use trimmers, by the way. I use trimmers at the end to finish balding them out because obviously my masters aren't gonna get it bald. But I did do this side. I decided to get a little crazy and I did a little bit of a shape up. So now that I've established my bald line here, I'm starting to go in with the lever fully open. And then I'm gonna start blending it out. So after I blend out this initial guideline here, I literally just rock the lever open and I'm literally just graduation, right? Just removing little by little. You know, using the corners, just being real mindful. And you know, this was truly, haircutting is trial and error, right? So that's part of the process and the system that we teach is to eliminate that trial and error. But with something like this was a lot of trial and error. Just literally going in at different angles and just taking my time, really being mindful, using my mirrors a lot. There's a lot of footage I cut out in reference to using my mirror, because I didn't want to bore you guys with any of that stuff. But I use my mirrors a lot for this cut. And yes, Jeezy, I'm using my brush. It's not assisting me in blending, so it's not a clipper and brush challenge. It is a clipper only challenge. But I'm just messing with you, bro. It's all love. See, that blend is coming together. And as you guys can tell, my man's hair is coarse. This was definitely a challenge, but it was fun. It was a lot of fun to do this challenge and just try and tackle something that I hadn't done before. So surprisingly, it didn't take me that long to do this cut. I was a little surprised by it. Here I am messing around trying to do a shape up with some masters. I don't know what I'm thinking here, but part of the challenge, right? Clipper only. And then I decided, you know what? A trimmer is a clipper, so let's not get technical. But yeah, I did it. I did my thing though on this side. I think so. You guys let me know in the comments. So this side I've already balled it out. And you can see it's just all trial and error, using the corners, the opposite corners, the heel, the toe. I mean, just the full arsenal came out on this haircut. Yeah, my masters are messed up. They're looking beat up. I'm still sour with Andis about that, with them blackout editions. Only took about a month for them to chip. Anyways, though, you see this blend coming together. You can see from this angle. And I even use the clipper like a thinning shear. I'll show you here in a second. Right here. Start lightening some of those areas out, give it a little bit of texture. Here's another angle. Thinning that back area out now a little bit. Being mindful not to cut too much into the crown. I don't know, I might not use guards anymore. Look at this. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. But you guys let me know what you think in the comment section. Add a little texture up front here a little bit. You know, finishing the shape up with a real trimmer, right? I went a little OD there trying to use the masters, but it's for fun, right? So this was pretty much it. You guys let me know what you think. Make sure you blow up Matt Gifted Hands. Let Chris Bossio know that I did his challenge. And if anybody else wants to take it up, go ahead. Or I hope Matt calls somebody else out and let's keep this thing going. As usual, I appreciate y'all's time, and I will see y'all next week. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. The person that I'm calling out is formerly known as Tomb Squad member, formerly known as Matt Gifted Hands, but now he's known as Matt Gifted Combs. You know what I'm talking about. So Matt, I want you to take this challenge, bro, and you got to put all these away. You can't use this one. You can't use this one, this one, this one. You can't use any of these, bro. It's just clipper only. And as for you, Jeezy, I use this just to remove debris. I didn't use it to blend, so watch yourself. So I need you guys to go over to Matt Gifted Hands social media, IG, Snapchat, everything, his YouTube channel. Go blow him up, so make sure he takes this challenge. Make sure you blow him up. As far as you guys, I want to thank you for taking the time out of your day to spend some time with me on these videos. And as usual, I appreciate your time.